Did you know that you can subtract mixed fractions without first converting to improper fraction? Watch how to do it. What we have to do, you have to pay attention to the ones that are the fraction. Let's leave the whole numbers out and then focus on this fraction. So let's bring them out and say 7/8 minus 1/2. So the easiest way to solve this is to just multiply this by this. You first multiply like this. 7 times 2 is 14. Then minus 8 times 1 is 8. Then we have over, you then multiply like this. 8 times 2, that's 16. Then this will give 14 minus 8, that's 6/16. Then after getting the fraction part, then we subtract the whole number part too, such that 7 minus 1 is 6. So the answer will be 6/16. Then we can also simplify this. 6, what will go in 6 and 16, we could have simplified it here such that the 2 will go here. So we'll be having 3/8. So the final answer will be 6 whole number 3/8. And that's just how to solve faster than you having to first convert. Now let's try one again. Now that you understand the process, let's try one again. Now let's subtract. 1 times 4 is 4. Then minus 3 times 1 is 3 over 3 times 4 is 12. So this will give 1/12. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer for this will be 3 whole number 1/12. And that's just it. Now you try this and let me know what you think about this method, if it works, and if you are able to get your answer in a few seconds. Let me know in the comments. Try this and let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.